The motel room reeked of mildew and something metallic. Jake tossed his bag onto the bed, eyeing the antique typewriter perched on the desk, keys yellowed with age. A folded paper sat beside it, blank except for a single line, "Sit, right." Curiosity trumped caution. Jake fed a sheet into the typewriter, the carriage clattering as if impatient. He pressed a key. It jammed, then slammed down hard, as if guided by invisible hands. Words began to appear, rapid and violent. "Tonight, the new guest will bleed for trespassing." Jake's heart hammered. He tried to stop, but the typewriter seized his fingers, forcing them to type. "He will hear footsteps at midnight. The door will open. He will beg, but no one will hear." Jake yanked his hands free, skin raw. The room chilled. The clock ticked closer to 12. He bolted for the door, only to find it locked tight. Footsteps echoed in the hallway, slow and deliberate. Something pressed against the other side. Jake screamed as the knob twisted. The typewriter clacked out one final line, alone in the darkness. Another story finished. Follow for more.